How to use apple cider vinegar for kidney stones. Can apple cider vinegar treat kidney stones? What are kidney stones? Kidney stones are solid masses of crystallized minerals and salts that develop inside the kidneys and along the urinary tract. Kidney stones happen as a result of a buildup of these minerals in your urine, especially when your urine is concentrated. They vary in size and are often quite painful. How can apple cider vinegar help? Some people recommend using ACV as a natural way to treat kidney stones. The acetic acid found in ACV is thought to soften, break down, and dissolve kidney stones. The kidney stones can be reduced in size so that you're able to easily pass them in your urine. ACV is said to alkalize blood and urine while increasing stomach acids. This helps prevent new stones from forming and improves digestion. What does the research say? Much of the evidence supporting the use of ACV in treating kidney stones is anecdotal. Solid scientific studies examining the direct effect of ACV on kidney stones are lacking. However, ACV still shows potential in treating kidney stones. 1 to 2 tablespoons of ACV. 2 ounces of. If you liked the video, give up a thumbs up and share with your friend. For more tips, subscribe to the channel.